sunset, through the canal, so the mindset I needed. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new here. Today I am going to show you my version of the DIY coffee bar. I have had this piece of furniture for quite some time. I'm talking years. We used it a little bit, I think, in this house in our living room, and then I didn't need it anymore because we moved everything around. I got new furniture, and this has been in my basement, and I haven't had any plans for it until I decided that I wanted to do this coffee bar. After searching for a piece of furniture that would fit on like Facebook Marketplace or something like that, couldn't find anything, and then I got the bright idea to go look in my basement because I actually have tons of furniture down there. I don't know why, but we just do. We never get rid of anything, so our basement is just cram-packed full of stuff. But anyway, I'm glad that I had this, and it turned out really cute. I love the way that it looks, and it fits perfectly in the space. So if you want to see how it turned out, just keep on watching, and I'll show you how I turn this into a cute little coffee bar in my kitchen. Sun go down. Oh, in summertime, soaking up the sun, cruising around in this crazy town. Oh, just you and I, just you and I. Just you and I. Just you the sun on your skin, as great as breathing, filling the spaces within. Running around, are we there yet? Music is all where we all met. Just you and I. Oh, let's freeze time, gather around, watch the sun go down. Oh, in summertime, soaking up the sun, cruising around in this crazy town. Oh, just you and I. Okay, so after taking everything apart and sanding everything that I can sand, I originally was not going to keep the middle pieces of the doors. I was going to put chicken wire in it, but I decided against it, so that's why you don't see me sanding on that part, because I was originally going to take it out. But I decided to keep it and just have it one big piece because I wasn't sure what I was going to put in the two bottom shelves. So anyway, that's why I didn't sand that. But I go ahead and bring it back inside, and I'm just cleaning it really good. What I'm cleaning it with is warm water and TSP. It is a cleaner that, like, whenever you have what I use it for is, like, I always buy old furniture, and it always has like tons of like, I don't know, like cleaner, like if they used some kind of like furniture polish or something like that, any dirt or grime or anything like that that's on the furniture, that TSP will get it off, and it will kind of make it like a dull looking color, I guess. It'd take all the shine away and everything like that. So that's what you want to do whenever you are redoing a piece of furniture and you're going to completely repaint it all. You want all the shine, everything off of it. So that is a good product to use for that. So after I do all of that, now I'm just going to go ahead and throw one coat of primer on it because it is black, and I'm going to be using like a chalk paint, and the chalk paint's pretty expensive, so I don't want to use that as my main cover up. So I'm just going to go ahead and put one coat of just regular white primer on it, and then I'm going to go through and actually paint it with my chalk paint. Wide awake is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me, oh. Now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake, now you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, ooh. wish I could sleep. Dream about all the ways you could reach me, but now you keep missing out on me, that's for sure. Take down your walls and let me ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me ooh, won't you be mine? Won't you be mine? Won't you be mine? Wide awake is the way that I wanna be by your side. I wanna be by your side. Funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright. The sun is getting warmer. Oh, when we soar away among the clouds, the sky is just a border. Oh, when we're floating up like helium. Okay, so now it's time to finally paint it. I'm going to go through and I'm going to end up putting 2 coats all over everything. I only show you the 1 coat because, I mean, once you've seen 1 coat, it's the same, literally the same thing. So I just show you one here. This is the very first one. Later on that night, I end up putting the last coat on it. And then after all of this, I'm going to seal it 3 times with my sealer that I have. Sip me up like lemonade, we both know it's bittersweet. This sorrowness will bite your tongue, no one is forever young. No. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright. I know the sun is getting warmer. Oh, when we soar away among the clouds, the sky is just a border. cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lighting. Okay, so now we are ready to go ahead and seal it. I've already put 2 coats on it. This is the last coat that I'm going to put on it. There are so many different methods to putting your sealer on. So if you do it a different way or you know a different way, then that's great. This is just the way that I apply it. It's the easiest for me, and I feel like I can control it better with a sponge. Whenever I was learning how to do this, I actually asked a professional on how they do it, and this is exactly how they told me. So just know that there's many different ways to put the sealer on. You can put it on with a brush, you could put it on with a foam brush, or you can put it on with like a little sponge like I have. If you don't like this method, because it does kind of get messy, it gets all over my hands, but I don't really care because I can wash it off. But if you don't like this kind of method, you can go on YouTube or you can Google other, videos or other ways to put your sealer on. This is just the one that works the best for me. Don't wanna pick a fight with it. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm ready. So now that we did all of the sealer and I sat and I let it dry for many hours, I came back and now I'm going to go ahead and put it all back together, and I'm going to finally be able to decorate. Under the stars, would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking it. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and decorate and put it all together. I love the way that it turned out. I ended up folding my runner in half because it was way too long. It hung down on the sides and I didn't like it. So I just folded it in half, and I kept it pretty simple on the top. I had my coffee, tea, and sugar, which I don't use for coffee, tea, and sugar. It's just for show. And then I had that little basket that I put our coffee filters in. And then later on, I end up putting a sugar and a cream with some spoons on it. I absolutely love it. I think it's so cute. I did have to have my husband come in and put the little liner in and cut it because I attempted to do it myself and I couldn't do it. It was just all lopsided, didn't work, and that's his forte. He is really good with all that stuff, so I let him go ahead and do that. And now I'm just going to go ahead and put all my coffees in my little baskets, try to get it as organized as best I can. And this is what it ended up looking like. I was so happy with the way that it turned out. I was going to paint my little knobs, but I decided against it whenever I put them on because I actually forgot to paint them. I think it goes really good with the white and the black, and that's kind of the theme I have in my kitchen. So if you liked today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and the little bell notification so you get notified every time that I upload and you don't miss out on anything, and I will see you all in my next one. Thanks, guys. You give me this energy. It is like you set me free. Chasing highs to stay alive. But if I'm with you, I'll survive.